Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with baby Ale. Ale, say hi. Di hola. Hola. So we just woke up and Alejandro's excited. So today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys how I stay productive with a baby. You guys are always so interested. I get that question asked so much, how do I get to do so much? How's my house so picked up with a baby? I don't know, you guys are always asking. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I do. Everything, I'm gonna clean with you guys. I'm gonna do laundry with you guys. I'm gonna be with baby, cook, the whole shenanigans of being a stay-at-home mom. So let's go ahead and get started. So Alejandra already ate breakfast, dressed up, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put her in her play yard, which is a mess right now. So let's go ahead and pick that up and get her day started. Alejandra is in her play yard. She's gonna be there for 20-30 minutes, which is this is my time where I do breakfast, get dressed, and get my bed ready and stuff like that, the simple things. And then from there I would transfer her over to the TV where she watches TV for an hour-ish, and that's where I do my other things. So basically the first thing you need to do is get your baby on a schedule, to plan out their day and kind of do things around the house that you have to do when they're playing and watching TV, the whole deal. So first you need your baby's schedule to go with your schedule, and then second of all you need a plan what you're gonna do throughout the day. So yesterday I already know that today is my laundry day, cleaning day, and I cook in the morning, so I get it out of the way. So that's what I do, and I plan out my schedule with her schedule. Number one tip is pick up your house before going to sleep. Even if it's not completely picked up, but at least some things, so when you wake up you don't bombard yourself with things. So last night I picked up this area, so it kind of looks kind of clean. I still need the bar, but at least it looks a little bit neat. Kitchen as well, I kind of picked up minor things. I still have that, but that's our lunch. Over here, that's our lunch as well. And the dishwasher, I haven't unloaded it because it was washing last night, which I do now. Living room is also picked up. I did all of this last night, just minor things picking up, but it helps so much. You guys asked me oh my god, how do you have your house cleaned up with a baby? Your house always looks so clean on the videos on Instagram and stuff like that. And honestly, pick up before in the morning, and pick up the night before is my number one tip. And then during lunchtime, the house is already getting kind of a mess, because the food's on the table, baby was eating, she was in her play yard, so I have to pick up a little bit over again. And same thing over at night. So that's basically what I do to keep the house clean, at least that it looks decent, just in case someone comes visit, or whatever. I have to record so it could look kind of normal, but sometimes my house is a complete mess. So now Alejandra's still in her play yard. We're gonna go ahead and get ready, me put maybe some makeup on, dress up at least, and eat breakfast, honestly. Our bed is made. There's still some clothes right there, but I'll put that away when I finish doing laundry, which I have to separate all the clothes right now, which I'm gonna do right now. She is already done playing in her play yard. It was 25 minutes that she was there. I already have her counted. I already know how long she was gonna stay there, so I had enough time to pick up the entire room, get dressed, at least a little something. So now it's time for her to watch some TV, so I could separate the clothes, start putting to wash, and unload the dishwasher, and do the whole thing. TV time. until I drink my breakfast, which is usually like a shake. If I have time, I'll eat something else. I cook. So the night before, I either take out the meat and prep it right now, or I take it out like yesterday afternoon and I prep it before going to sleep. So that's what I did yesterday. The meat is marinated. I basically now just put it to cook, and I pick up around the house, like, you know, I broom and get ready to clean, which is super helpful. While the food is cooking, you multitask. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Dishwasher is unloaded and loading for the day. Laundry is going. Alejandra had her first snack of the day and she is down for her first nap of the day. Well, she's in the process, but she's gonna go down now. So now it's my time to clean. It usually takes me like an hour to get the house clean, because I gotta do like the bathrooms, you know, I gotta like mop and pick up and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started, because in an hour-ish my fiance is here for lunch. So let's go ahead and get the house clean before he gets here, and I am done with the cleaning and, you know, laundry's going. So yeah, pretty good day. It's about to be 10 a.m. and I've done so much, which I'm so proud of myself. I love doing everything like super fast, so that way I feel like catched up and I don't have back up like laundry, which takes me forever. And yeah, makeup, we ate lunch, and Alejandra's out. Say hi. Ale, di hola.
Hola.
Di hola.
Hola.
She gets so happy when Alejandro comes
Hola.
for lunch.
Un besito, papá.
Di se acabó. Se acabó. She does, that's her new thing. Alright guys, so now it is time for Alejandra to eat lunch and for mommy to get to editing.
And for Dad to get back to work.
Yeah, so it's about to be noon and we've done a lot, so it's pretty good. 2 p.m. and I am done. I just have one load of clothes washing and the other one is drying, so 2 more to go and that's it. I just have to fold and put them in the closet, but the biggest ones are done. The rest is like towels and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. To wrap it up, I'm just gonna give you guys like the last things I would do. So basically the first thing I do is plan out what you need to do the next day. Plan it the day before, write it down on your phone, on a notebook, whatever you want, so you know what you have to do, and that way you could be like crossing it out and you won't forget anything. Second, wake up early, that way you have enough time to do everything throughout the day. Then third is avoid getting on your phone. I don't know about you, but me, when I get on my phone, I go on social media and I forget and I get tired and bored. I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna sit here and relax. I never have like alone time and I end up not doing anything. So that's the third thing. Fourth thing, when you wake up, just like get to it and put yourself like a time goal. Like if you're gonna clean, be like, okay, in an hour I'm gonna be done. That way you like feel like pressured and you like, you know, have to do it fast, and that way you get over it. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I have a productive day with a baby. She's currently down for her second nap of the day, and that's it. When she wakes up, it's just time to spend time with her, or you know, work out, or go visit my mom or Alejandro's mom, and that's it. Day is over. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe with your post notifications on, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.